Start with DashNex Pages, and for the record, I host every single of my websites that are not blogs on DashNex Pages. So I don't use ClickFunnels, I don't use Lead Pages, I don't use any other platform now. I can host anything, webinar registration pages, sales pages, lead pages, you name it, I can host it on DashNex Pages. And the basic idea is that you can simply launch a website by just typing in a subdomain. So choose a subdomain on our DashNexPages.net domain, provide a title, and you have a website. And once you have that, you can get inside, and this is my demonstration website. Now we'll just show you what's available. So once people launch it, they come here and they can start to add pages, right? And before they add pages, they can go to the settings and set up some basic stuff for the website. So for example, the basic design stuff like logo, open graph image, favicon, colors, then add all the scripts in the header and the footer. Then if they are using templates, and there are literally, thousands and tens of thousands of HTML templates, you can go to Theme Forest, you can go anywhere and you will find them. And you can just upload the source files from those templates and have a beautiful website, literally in minutes from those sources, right? And so we have the source hosting as well. We also generate legal pages automatically, so people don't need to mess around with that and think about how to create them and things like that. Other pages, which are basically the about page and contacts page, and then people can also add a custom domain through we have here documentation, but basically it's through Cloudflare. So every single domain is, SSL secure and things like that, which is really, really necessary these days. So as you can see, they can set up these things, and especially the scripts, and source hosting as well. And then they can launch pretty much any kind of website they can imagine. Like, let me show you, for example, this one. This is a quiz to promote ClickBank offer, right? So this is a standard quiz, and we created this quiz and we built it really, on DashNex Pages. So, it's fast, it's loading very quickly, everything's happening quickly, and we don't need to pay some extra, for funnel builders or stuff like that, and it just works, right? And that's how it's done, right? Also, for example, here's a website that I built about a year ago, and it's promoting, another offer on ClickBank as well. So you see it's like a blog style stuff, right? And the point is that people can choose any kind of HTML template out there and launch a website. And inside of the membership, we also provide a bunch of different templates, like webinar templates, like lead generation templates, and things like that. Now, if we go back here and we click Add Page, you can see that we can add 4 types of pages. Now, lead generation page is a basic wizard system where you can build lead pages, so lead generation pages, just by typing in content in the boxes, right? So it's very simple, very kind of the timers is there, the forms, the integrations with autoresponders are there. So really, the basic stuff is there, and people don't need to have any kind of, design knowledge or skill or anything like that, right? The second thing that people can do, they can launch a sweepstakes page. And sweepstakes page is really beautiful because, sometimes you want to run a basic contest, which is not like a necessarily a viral contest, but you want to run a contest where, you can build the list very, very quickly. And you can give away some prize, in order to do that. And so we have everything built in there for that. We have also automatic, winner selection and things like that. It's all built in here, right? Then we have the blank page. And blank page is basically, it's just a place where you can enter HTML code. So you can enter HTML code on the top, HTML code at the bottom, and you have any kind of page you want, right? And that's where all those templates that people can buy in Theme Forest and things like that comes very handy. They can just buy a template, update the text, and then just copy and paste it and have a beautiful website right there, right? And finally, we have the redirect page. And redirect is something that's really necessary, and most platforms don't really support it, which is, if you buy a domain name and you have an affiliate link, you want to really have that affiliate link cloaked with your own domain, right? So, and for that, we have the redirect page. So you just copy and paste, your destination URL, for example, a ClickBank link or whatever the link is, and you just set up the redirect, right? And it's going to be with your own domain. And that's the beautiful thing, right? So it's a very simple solution, right? But it provides everything that people need in order to host basic websites and have the campaigns ready to go, right? As I said, like for example, this one, any kind of website they can build very, very quickly. And today with all the Fivers and countless templates available for free online, the imagination is just the limitation here, right? And people don't need to pay for drag and drop builders and stuff like that they can't use themselves even, and they need to hire a designer or consultant to do that. It's pointless. It's better to build an HTML website which is fast, loading quickly, there's no plugins, no any kind of add-ons or stuff like that, and just go with it, right? So that's that. Then we have the second platform, which is the Instant Ecom Store. And this is a dashboard of one particular store. So when people log in there, they can build all their stores from a single dashboard. And if you think about the Instant Ecom Store, the best way to describe it, it's basically Shopify on steroids. And why I'm saying is because you can launch a website literally in minutes. Again, the same principle. You just provide a subdomain and launch a store. And after that, you don't need to buy anything. You don't need to buy applications. You don't need to buy the timers and things like that. So if you go, for example, to the pricing page where we have the comparison between the Shopify store, if you want to build something similar on the Shopify, you would need to pay at least $203 per month in comparison, right? And that's not even everything, right? So we have unlimited products for people. We have automatic product import from AliExpress, multi-currency across the entire store, one-click post-purchase upsell. Then we have a specific double it upsell, which is very, very powerful stuff. Unlimited customized abandonment cart follow-up systems. So there is emails and everything else. Direct to checkout system, and just literally every single feature that is necessary for conversions is in there, right? So this is actually a real store. So let me show you real quick. This was my demo store quite a while ago. And let me show you inside and just show you some of the features that we have. So we had some private offers. For example, we can create private pages, which is very powerful if you promote this through, let's say, Facebook, right? If you promote a product via Facebook, having a private page is incredible because you can have a store, and this, again, we don't have themes. We can just upload the background, and that's how it will look like because the main customer will come from mobile, right? But what I want to say is that, you can have public products with the public pricing on the page, and then you can build the private page where then you can have the private offer, right? And that private offer is really like that something that you promote through Facebook, and it's not available anywhere else, right? So, for example, here we have these sets set up, right? So buy 3, get $5 off. Buy 5, get $12 off, right? And so the people can add this to the cart, and once they're in the cart, there is, again, different kind of features. Like, for example, you can see your cart expires in 45 minutes, right? There is a coupon option as well. And actually, the coupon can be automatically generated for the checkout. So people can enter the email and stuff like that. So if you, for example, enter the email here, it will be added to the autoresponder automatically, the autoresponder that you integrated with, right? And things like that. So let me go to edit this real quick just to show you what's behind there. So the way how you can edit products, obviously you can automatically import them from AliExpress and then do fulfillment as well. But you can add them manually as well, right? You can select different related products, add the description, images. You can add unlimited images here, organize them however you want. There is you can click reorder and then drag and drop them, and apply them and things like that. And then you can set up different options here. Like you see colors, sizes, styles, and really configure pricing individually based on that. Then you can set up, for example, a personalized timer that will expire for a specific person after a specific time, right? You can set up automatic progress bars, right? and things like that. And these typically would be something you would need to pay additional fee on Shopify for applications, right? We have the directly to checkout system, right? So this is going to bypass the cart, so that people, as you probably know, most of the sales you lose in the cart, right? People add to the cart, but they don't start the checkout. But then if you enable this, especially if this is a free plus shipping offer, then it's perfect because you just enable it and people will bypass the cart, which is awesome, right? So again, you can add unlimited products here. There's no limitation. The features are in like lots of different features, but most importantly, all those features are built, to support the conversions, right? They can generate all kinds of promo codes. I'll also want to show you, Marketing Hub. They have the Conversion Lab. They have Signify in there. We have a bunch of stuff in development still as well. And Signify is really just that shows that dynamically that you have to add this amount of thing, in the checkout to qualify for the free shipping. So it's basically, if your order is below $30, it will display here that you have to, add more to the cart in order to get free shipping, right? And you can display that across your entire website. So it's very powerful stuff. There is also Signify in the cart, Signify on a cart icon, dynamic free shipping. So Signify in the cart is very powerful. So that will show you how much you need to, what kind of coupon you can use on the cart to get the discount. So a lot of different features, and I'm kind of talking through all of these very, very quickly, and I promise on the sales video it will be very organized and strategic in terms of what I show and how I show it. But I just want to say that when it comes to Instant Ecom Store, everything is built. So someone who is just starting out, someone who is just want to build the first $10,000 store, this is absolutely the best system out there, right? Because it's fastest, it's easiest, you don't have to install anything, you don't have to configure anything. You can just integrate with your Stripe or things like that. We also have a mobile store, which is a dedicated mobile store. Then we have, integrations with merchant autoresponders, tracking product fulfillments, shipping. You can configure manually different classes and really play with that, which is important. You can also assign user managers and things like that. For specific stores, you can configure different properties like size properties, for example, or profiles. So a lot of things, right? Now, you can see whether you are a marketer, a blogger, a startup founder, affiliate, or creator of any kind. If you want to get access to thousands of people so you can sell your products, generate revenue, or make an impact, you need just three things. Number one, you need something that you can give away for free in exchange for an email address or a phone number. Number two, you need a high converting page that people can go to and join you. And number three, you need a way how to instantly deliver free giveaway gift to your leads. And this is where DashNex Pages comes in. With DashNex Pages, you get simplicity, you get speed, you get results. We believe that your business is lead generation, product sales, and branding. Your business is definitely not technical setups, configurations, and constant maintenance work that so many other platforms demand of you. Therefore, here at DashNex Pages, we give you the features that you truly need to launch a high converting lead generation campaign in minutes, to instantly deliver your free gift, whether it's an email